सबको ब्यूटीफुल पनीस बोला करूँगी। सो इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू दिस एट्यूड हॉल फ्रॉम नायका। तो मैंने ये सारे जो टिंट्स हैं एट्यूड हाउस के, ये मैंने नायका से मंगाए हैं। एंड ये जो सिंगल टिंट है, दिस इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम नायका, दिस इज़ ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम बैंकॉक ईयर्स अगो, बट इसका एक बोनस टिप बनता है आपके लिए। सो इसमें वो सारे टिंट्स हैं जो मैंने नायका से मंगाए, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू विथ ऑफ कोर्स स्वॉच करके दिखाऊंगी। एंड आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू हाउ ईच वन ऑफ देम इज वेयरिंग, लाइक इसका वेयरिंग कैसा है, एंड इज इट इवन लाइक वर्थ इट, शुड यू बाय इट और नॉट। So for all that, stay tuned and keep watching. So in Nykaa में जो there was a sale going on, and उसमें से मैंने ये सारे tints मंगाए, and I am going to share them all with you. There are quite a few, 4-5 of them, and make sure I don't leave something in the box. जैसे ये रहने वाला था. So, alright. So the first tint that I have in my hand, मैं randomly करूँगी जो भी पहले आ जाए. So this is the Dear Darling tint. ये ऐसा है, this is like that. So I hope you can see it against the black background. So this is like this. Alright. So ये जो है इसका wearing is regularly nice, I will say. ये है इसकी pigmentation, very very pigmented, red है, और I want to try these because you can just dot to dot with your finger. जैसे right now I'm wearing Nyka's Maharani lipstick which is lovely. इसमें कुछ भी mix नहीं है. This is the Maharani lipstick का like original shade. It's beautiful. So ये है Dear Darling in the shade. What shade is this? I'll just have the numbers down below. Okay. So this is like this. So this is like this, a very dark, very pigmented tint. इसकी wearing power जो है ठीक है, like none of these tints are like how would I say, with the exception of 1 or 2, many of them are not like as staining. जो actual stain होता है, it should stay on your lips for like hours. That's the real meaning of a stain or a tint. लेकिन ये वैसे नहीं है. Okay, the next one we have here is the colorful tattoo. अब इसका नाम है tattoo. तो ये tattoo सुन के मैंने इसको मंगाया because I was like, if it's a tattoo, it's going to be there forever. No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So this comes with a like it comes with a applicator like that. The applicator is like this. So this is like this. Now first of all, it's got an orangey tint to it. I hate anything orange on my face. I hate oranges. तो ये जो है, ये shade, if you really like orangish, it's not even peach, it's like a proper orange, and I hate it. तो ये जो tattoo है, ये ज़्यादा देर रहने वाला नहीं है. Let me just try and show this to you. So probably like that. Yeah, okay. In fact, it will stay on your. It will look beautiful on your cheeks. The one thing is, ये lips से ज़्यादा cheeks पे अच्छा लगेगा, and it will give you a very beautiful flush. But it's not going to stay on for like very long time. So none of these are going to be like very very long. Lekin some of them are very pleasant surprises. This here is powder rouge. This here is powder rouge, और ये ऐसा लगता है. This looks like that, and powder rouge. So this is going to be another applicator like the same thing. This is such a beautiful red color. ये जो color है ना, ये Ruby Woo family में है. The MAC का Ruby Woo lipstick which is like iconic. ये उस family में है. It's very beautiful, और I really need to get closer to the camera. So this is what this looks like. Very very beautiful. और ये जो है shade I would recommend because ये वो shade है which will go on any and every skin tone from the lightest to the deepest. It's very very beautiful. और इसका जो staying power था, इसको मैंने actually try नहीं किया है. Now the next thing is I have 2 of these Dear Darling tints. I have 2 of these. So ये वाला है Dear Darling. I'm using this. This is nice. This is something जो literally रहता है घंटों. I really like this. 4-5 because I wear this in my gym because I don't want to like wear a full face of makeup. तो मैं पहनती नहीं, but I have to wear lipstick so I don't look like a zinda lash. But ये जो है Dear Darling tint, this is something that is going to remain on your lips. That is the one really beautiful thing. ये खुलता ऐसे है. It looks very cute. It opens up like a little popsicle thing. Again, all of them are having this doe foot applicator. ये ऐसा है. Oh my God! Can you see the pigmentation on that? This is like so pigmented. और ये जब आप लगाओगे, just wait for it to dry a little bit. If it is too dark for you, this one is a little bit too dark. तो मैं इसको क्या करती हूँ? I mix it with a little lighter shade. Let it first dry, and it stays on for the entire duration of my gym session. मास्क के साथ भी ये ज़्यादा ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होता है once it dries. ये will stay on your lips for like 4 to 5 hours, considering when I'm in the gym I drink water, I wipe my face multiple times and like basically I'm sweating like a pig. उसके बावजूद when I come home this lip color is intact. So this is something I really, इसको मैं mix करती हूँ. So if you're not going to mix it, it's going to be really really good. This is much recommended. ये वाला है the Dear Darling tint. Okay, the next one is the same thing. ये unopened है, so I can show you the entire packing जैसे था without breaking it of course. So there. This is in. This is the water gel tint in RD306. Very similar क्या the same उसी का दूसरा एक variation है ये. So let's check this guy out. ये भी वैसा ही है, but this is how strange. This is a bit watery or very similar to the previous one because I like these kind of dark tints. जब tint आप पहनो ना तो ये थोड़ा dark ही होना चाहिए because nobody's natural lip color is really light pink unless you are Caucasian, then it's really light pink. But on Indian skin tones like very light lips मैंने ज़्यादा देखे नहीं है. I just think a little bit of pigmentation is like natural to us. So regardless of how light or dark you are, so I go for these kind of shades. You know, see this one is this. So these are all the shades. This one is this. So hey guys, एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ मैंने देखी. I hope you can see it. तो ये वाली जो बॉटल है, there's a whitish cast on the bottom. आप देख पा रहे हो? I don't know. I hope it's not gone bad because ये मैंने अभी literally 2 महीने पहले मंगाई है. 1 महीना, not even more than that. So it's got a whitish something happening on the bottom. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I hope you can see that clearly. एक white किस्म की cast आ गई है. वो cast जो है इस वाले में नहीं है. It's like you can see the difference. This one is red. This one is kind of like this. Let's see. That is that. So these I tend to go for darker shades because they will wear like, you know, बहुत time चलते हैं. They like stain your lips better. Even the light ones would stain your lips better, but I for some reason tend to favor these. Okay, ये जो है, this is not from Nykaa. ये खत्म, literally going to get over. This bottle is actually empty. This is one of the best Etude tints I've tried in my entire life. ये जो था, this is going to stay on, like, you know, just forget about it, just stay on and on. लेकिन ये है, I don't know, ये Nykaa पे तो देखा नहीं मैंने, but if it ever comes here, तो you can go for it without a second thought. ये थोड़ा watery है, maybe it's become old इसलिए है, but it's a bit watery. इसका जो formula है, ये इनसे थोड़ा अलग है, as in it's a little bit more watery. It's closer to this. The formula of this is closer to this, but other than that, it's the same thing. इसमें एक पिंकिश पना ज़्यादा है और इसका I don't even know like what is, there is nothing on this. I'm just showing you there is no number on this, there is nothing. I think you just need to go by the shades. So when this ever comes on Nykaa, you will get an idea of like what it really was. So these are all the shades of the Etude tint and I told you each one का staying power कैसा है, each one lips पे कितनी देर रहता है. I hope you enjoyed this and it was of some help to you, and also stay tuned for some one brand reviews and hauls I'll be doing in future जो मैंने revenge shopping की है during the lockdown, after the lockdown. So that was it from me. So take care of yourself and stay beautiful. Bye.